Okay, welcome back to the channel. Another no waste workout. Only equipment required today, a towel. It's an upper body workout. Do the whole body just with a towel. So I'll start by gripping the towel quite close together and pull it apart as hard as you can for 10 seconds and then relax. Same again but underarm. Pull the towel apart as much as you can. 10 seconds. Relax. Next one arm under, one arm over. Pull the towel apart as much as you can, 10 seconds. Same with the other arm. Pull the towel apart. Last one, towel behind your back and pull, 10 seconds. And then the other way, 10 seconds and relax. You can do 2 rounds, 3 rounds, as many as you like. That is an upper body workout. Give it a try.